And welcome to the Philip Cochran channel, viewers. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It helps this channel grow. Helps me bring you these great videos that we all love. So we've got the shredder down here at the beach today. Have a little bit of fun. Pretty rocky, as you can see, because they haven't cleaned it up much yet. A little bit of construction going on over there, but there's nobody around, so have some fun. Woohoo! Going good. We're on the 6S here. I'm running a, what is it, 5500 milliamp battery. Whoop, a little too close. Almost hurt a bit. I don't know if you guys couldn't see because it went right into my feet there. I hope it's not too windy on the camera for you guys. It's a pretty windy day. Full throttle. Woohoo! You can see even this, I can barely get it up to speed before I gotta shut her down. This stuff is pretty abusive, as you can see, so you don't want to kill the truck on it. There we go. Try that again. Way down there. Nice. The handle's good. I have done the diffs and the shocks. I have 100,000 weight oil in all the diffs, actually. Seems to like it. Still haven't tried the paddle tires on this guy yet, right? It really doesn't need it with this sand, as you can see. It's got a lot of rock in it. And obviously these areas down here are all rocky. Probably get some little jumps off there if, how you doing? If get some speed up to it. There is some down there. I think I can jump down there. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching, folks. Love and peace from Canada. And we are YouTube.